Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using flimsy electrical tapes that just don't get the job done? I've got a solution for you, the 3M Temflex Vinyl Electrical Tape 1776. This tape is a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. With its durable polyvinyl chloride backing, it's built to last and can withstand even the toughest conditions. When you touch the tape, you'll notice its slightly tacky texture, which is due to the pressure-sensitive rubber adhesive that easily and securely bonds to most surfaces, giving you a sense of security and confidence in your work. This tape is incredibly versatile, working for both indoor and outdoor applications, and its tensile strength rating of 17 pounds per inch meets professional electrical standards, giving you a sense of reassurance that it can handle the demands of your projects. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among professionals and DIYers alike. When you use it to insulate, protect, and harness wire and cables, you'll notice how quietly and smoothly it unwinds, without any annoying squeaks or tears, making the process a breeze. The king size and high capacity of this tape make it perfect for large projects, and its flexibility allows it to conform to complex shapes and curves, giving you a snug and secure fit. In real-life use cases, I've found that this tape outperforms others in its class, providing a reliable and long-lasting seal that withstands the elements and heavy use. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, this tape is a must-have in your toolkit. So why settle for a subpar electrical tape when you can have the best? Give the 3M Temflex Vinyl Electrical Tape 1776 a try, and I'm confident you'll be impressed with its performance and durability. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.